Meow guys, we are back here in Ecotown here in Hachioji. Papasok na ba tayo? I'm so excited. I'm just using my iPhone. Let's go guys, let's explore this place. Ecotown is located in Hachioji. I will be putting the location of this place in the description below, okay? So if you're new in my channel, please consider subscribing. Medyo mahina lang ang voice natin kasi nakakaya naman sa mga ibang tourist. Alright, so this is a second-hand luxury items that we will be exploring. So be excited and let's enjoy guys. Yay! Let's start on here. These are Louis Vuittons. Oh my god. Ang kita mo ng pink. The pink is 66,000. Kita man ito. Oh, that's nice. It's Alma for 66,000. Siya. Ang cute naman yan. That's 38,500. Hi! Yan ang mga prices nila. That's in Japanese yen. Located in Hachioji, Ecotown. Dati gusto ko tong bag na to. I like this bag before. So since that I have the Never Full already, I have this guys. I have this bag. Rare ko lang din siya nagagamit. Look at the Never Full. The Never Full is ang mahal ah. Let's move on. Yan, mga speedy bags. Ang cute nito. Here in Japan, the more the items is small, mas mahal. Ganyan sila dito. Meron ako nito dati. Binenta ko na. Oh, this is really cute. Cute naman. So, yan. There. Mga ano. Here naman. Oh, mga wallets. Let's go to the wallets. Check natin. May mga Kate Spade. What brand is this? I think this is Ferragamo. Cute nito, oh. Ay, mayroong Coach. Alam mo ba, yung Coach ngayon is very I like this. I love small wallets kasi. Check ko nga to. Check ko to later. Ah, medyo pangit na. Luma na. Yeah, Coach. This is cute also. Ang cute naman ito. Kate Spade. Hi. Ang cute. Where are we? Dito tayo. This cute Coach. May Ferragamo. These are the prices guys. 6,600 yen. Yan, may Balenciaga. Burberry. What is this? Kate Spade to. Ang cute nito oh. Usually, if I'm traveling here in Japan, nag-visit talaga ako sa mga ganitong places. Ay, I have this before. Mayroon ako nito. Pero ang cute nito 16,000. Cute. Check natin kung magkano yan later in ano. Oh, gustong gusto ko to dati. I wanna check. Cute. Muna tayo sa mga Louis Vuitton. Ayan. That's the prices, guys. Look at that. Louis Vuitton. That's 44,000. If you are considering to buy luxury bags. Check nyo muna yung brand new. Okay? So, before buying a second hand. Malay mo nga naman, the amount is just kunti na lang. Ah, this is cute. Gusto ko to. Ah, this is really cute as well. Brand new pa to. This is still brand new. There. Wow, may na-skip ba tayo? Cute. This bag is also nice, but it's too heavy. Oh, grabe, ang mahal ah. This is too expensive. There. I hope I will not be copyrighted, guys. My music. Ano pa naman yan? More light is required. Man. Ang cute. 49,000. Ganda nito, oh. Ganda. It's so nice. The price. Yan. May mga clothes din sila. It's 13,000. Taray, may Louis Vuitton. And I see how much you are. 44,000. Look at this Prada. Uy, I like this, 38 lang, oh. For traveling. Okay, let's move on here. There, we are here. So, these are Coach, guys. Actually, vintage Coach lately is very trending. Ayan, may mga Coach sila, oh. I'm looking for a pink Coach. This pink Coach is cute, but it's too big. I like small pink Coach. Pink Coach. Oh, this is cute. Coach. Uy, ang cute nito, oh. How much is this? Ang cute nito. Sana naging ano ka na lang, ibang color. 11,000 lang, oh. So, these are Michael Kors. Let's go to the other side, guys. Are the Burberrys. 33,000. Cute ng Burberry. Ay, cute nito, oh. Cute nito, oh. 33 lang. This is cute. Okay. Ang cute naman nito, Dior. Cute na. It's really cute. Burberry, oh. This side naman is... Wow! My Coach, oh. Oh, Longchamp. This is cute. How much is 16,000? This is nice for traveling, oh. Ganda nito. What brand is this? Ah, Etro. Before I like Etro. Cute, no? Let's go to the high end. Wow, Chanel. 44,000. Huh? Oh, they're so expensive. 77. Malo. Sold out. Ganda. Nice. Look at that, guys. Chanel. That's so nice. This is caviar. Cute. That's so cute. Ang ganda ng powder pink, oh.